So my book is under review with Amazon, and I have to wait a few days to see if they will okay it. But obviously with the risky title, you just don't know what they will say, you know. I might have to change the title, so we'll see. Anyways, once that's up and running, then I will get a copy, make sure it's okay, and if it's all okay, then it's ready for you guys to buy. One thing that's in the book is mentioning about your stress. So last night I didn't sleep because I think I'm a little bit stressed. Can't think why. And what you need to realize, and myself too here, is if you're chronically stressed out and living in your sympathetic nervous system, you can never fully heal the body. It will just not heal. So you have to be in your parasympathetic nervous system, and most people aren't. So one thing I'm talking about is melatonin, and obviously that is your sleep hormone. But it also stops cytokine cascades, which is what happens when people have virus infections. They get the cytokine cascade, which creates the inflammation, which can ultimately lead to death, which is what's happening with the COVID patients. And then also for people who have autoimmune conditions, like I've had myself, that's also the cytokine cascade. So it's about bathing your body in these anti-inflammatory supplements and foods and things to lower all that inflammation inside of you. So just think your body is either full of fire or it's nice and calm. You want to create the calmness within inside yourself. And the melatonin also helps to switch on your parasympathetic nervous system, which will allow your body to rest, repair and heal. And that's what we really want to work with, is getting you into the parasympathetic nervous system. And me too, as I say, like last night I couldn't sleep. So this is what I'm working with, what I want you to work with. I said this to my clients this week as well. We've got to get you from stressed out to relaxation, and that's when yoga comes in, and being more mindful and taking some time out in nature and switching off your phone and disconnecting from everything that's going on in life. You know, like I'm stressed out with stuff going on with my book and everything, and you know, things going on. So parasympathetic nervous system, guys, think about this for healing. This is about healing yourself naturally, and this is what my message is for everyone, is to empower yourself with the knowledge to heal, so that if sickness were ever to come, and I hope it never happens to anybody, but if it does, you will know exactly what to do, and that is my mission for all of you. So anyways, peace, love, wellness, guys, and book 2 is coming real soon.